So today I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So at the top 3 lines in your profile, you will see turn on professional mode. So once you turn on, it must be turned on. So you just click on the stuff like this, and then after you need to choose confirm, and then after your professional mode will be enabled. So if that it is not being enabled, then you can see there is a problem. You make sure that you are logged in your actual profile. Not make sure that your profile is the main account that you want to put the professional mode on. And next is make sure that your profile is not locked. If your profile is locked, there is a chance of not being able to turn on the professional mode. So then after, go and see that your profile details and make sure that it is not locked. So I'm in my professional account, right? So in my professional mode, if you have not been able to turn on your professional mode, and you can see over here there's a lock profile. If this is locked, then you will not be able to go and join to your professional account. After this it's still not working, then you just need to clear your cache or your data from your Facebook. That is going to your settings and searching for apps. So once you're in your app, you need to search for your Facebook. So once you find your Facebook, click on it and make sure to go to your storage, and then after clear or manage storage. So once you manage your storage, delete the data and log in again. So that will help. Thank you so much for watching.